Okay, greetings YouTube. What you're looking at here is a shit hit the fan improvised hot water heater. And you can see it's just a regular metal trash can with some inexpensive aluminum for the smokestack, some hoses, and some copper piping. And I'll show you the interior here and how it works. But this is what it looks like when it's completed. It takes about 5 seconds to set up. So let's break it down for you. First thing we do is we're going to take off the smokestack. When you lift up the lid, of course you want to look at you have vents down there. You got vents, a big vent there, little vents on the bottom. And inside you can see it's just a simple setup. You have an array of copper tubing, and that is what holds the water. And you've got a grill down there, and you've got 3 bricks that are bolted to the side of the can. So you build your fire down here on this grill, and that would heat up the water that is inside this copper tubing. Alright, and then basically you hook the hose that comes from our well up at our property, our mountain property, or hook a garden hose to this. That's your intake. These are optional additional outlets should we need them, but in the meantime we just circulate the water through it. Hook our garden hose to this end here, and that's how we utilize the hot water for showering or cleaning, sanitation. You know, you got to have hot water if you want to remain sanitary. So you can see it's a pretty simple system here. Doesn't take that long to make, doesn't take that long to build, doesn't take that long to set up. And when we want to put it together again, we just put that on there. And the smokestack. And she's ready to fire up. That's about as simple as it gets. Thanks for watching.